Hey guys, so I'm not sure how many people look at my posts on YouTube, so I'm just going to make this a video instead. See, here's where we're at with the F-350. This thing broke down like a month ago, well actually almost 2 months ago now, and it's been sitting in my driveway ever since, and I have no idea what the hell is wrong with it. So, actually maybe I can demonstrate this. Hold on. Alright, let me hook up one battery real quick just to demonstrate what's happening. Yeah. But sometimes it just doesn't apply power at all. Well, there you go. I have power now. So, if I left this plugged in, the battery would drain overnight, which means I'm not going to leave it plugged in. But what happens is you get power to the truck, and I've also tried this while with the battery tightened down. So yeah, dome light, dinger. Watch what happens when I turn the key. It just dies instantly. You get no power after that. Alright, so here's where you guys come in. I'd love to know, since last time all the comments were absolute geniuses and told me exactly what to do, I'm going to see if I can get you guys to help me on this one. What am I doing wrong besides not hooking up a second battery? I've heard about the fuse links down there. I've heard bad ground. I've heard I'd have loose connections, which we know is bullshit because I tried tightening this up and it still didn't fucking work. There's like the reason I don't hook up the second battery is because last time I did, I don't know if I got it on video, but it was like shooting sparks. I hooked this one up second, so maybe that's why, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to do that again because I'm genuinely worried this might catch on fire at some point, and then I'm out $5,000. So there you go. Please help me. I need assistance.